In this video, I will walk you through on how much YouTube paid me in 1 year after monetization on this platform. Okay, at the end, you will give me your feedback. Do you think you would, as to whether you think that money is okay or not? All right, in fact, just tell me how much you think YouTube paid me in 1 year before you start watching the rest of this video. Let's just get right into it. Okay, I am on my YouTube studio, so I'll click on analytics. Then on this analytics section, I'll click on revenue. I got monetized on August 2024, so I'm going to select August to July. All right. So what I need to do here is to click on this, and then I will select custom. Then here I will type it of I will select most of August 2024. That's 80124. Okay. Then here I will select 731. All right, I have done the selection August 1, 2024 to 31st of July 2025. I'll tap on apply. And you can see from here, in 1 year, YouTube paid me 1,083 82 dollars and 66 cents. $1,082.66 for 1 year of being monetized on this platform. Now let's take a look. Something happened here this particular day, June 8th, 2025, was my highest earning day in this 1 year. Did I earn the most? Or is it not June? Let's take a look at this one. That was it. That was it. June 8th. Now, if you're in Nigeria and you live in Nigeria, you should know that this amount is something great, is something nice. So let's see the conversion in Nigerian Naira. So I'll click here, then I'll click here and search for calculator. Okay. The exchange rate as at today is 1,532 Naira for $1. Okay. So, and this is, I'm going to multiply this by this times 1082.66 equals. That means for 1 year of monetization on YouTube, I got paid 1,658,635 naira and 12 cents. Let's say 1.6 million Nigerian naira. It's a lot. Many people that do 9 to 5 job don't earn this in 1 year. So it's impressive and it's a good way to start. All right, let's talk about the take home on this video. Number one is this: don't give up. So far, you know what you're doing on YouTube, okay? So far, you know you're solving problems for people. Because it took me a year and 8 months to get monetized, and here am I today, still grinding on the platform and making headway. I'm making money at the same time, all right? It may be small, but I tell you, it will be better with future, okay, in time to come. Number two take home here is that YouTube is not a get rich quick platform, all right? It takes time. Everything accumulates with time. So if you're that type, I want to get monetized in 6 months or maybe in 2 days. After monetization in 2 days, what happens next? You need to build content. You need to be your community here. So you need to build a system that solve problems with a lot of videos so that your earnings will keep on accumulating. Okay, you keep on building. All right, that's one thing that is more important here. So I have another channel. I'm not even thinking about getting monetized maybe after 1 year or just in 1 year. Let me build content first. That's my target. And I know once that content is built, watch hours will come, subscribers will come. Because I may get monetized quickly, and maybe the day I'm seeing 10 cents, which is not making sense. Then another take home here is this: your revenue will improve as time goes on this platform. I remember when I started this, I was struggling with RPM. It wasn't high, even the CPM wasn't high. But today, I have a video that has RPM of over $1,000. Ah, yeah, that's the truth. Though those such videos don't get massive views, but at least the fraction of it is okay. There was a day one video got 2 views here on this my channel, and it made me $5 for 2 views. So with time, your RP1 will improve, your CPM will improve, and that is that. And the last one, keep grinding, keep believing, and keep pushing forward. You will make it here. All right. The only thing is that you need patience. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to grow in knowledge as you learn more. Leave a comment. Let me hear your say in the comment section. Does it worth it? I should forget about YouTube content creation. Just tell me something in the comment section and hit the like button. All right, so that YouTube will push this video to more people to know the reality, being real in content creation, how it is, not about sugarcoating some things. All right, so please do the hitting, okay, of the like button, the one that points off. You can watch this video here to learn more about YouTube. Thank you, and see you some other time.